Hi everyone, welcome to WW Designs. My name is Nikki and today I have a very special unboxing of a parcel that has been hand delivered to me by my best friend who went to Japan. Now, the reason why this is so special is that I am an absolute coffee addict. A lot of my planners, stationery, all sorts of things often have a coffee theme because I absolutely love it. And I remember very clearly the first day I saw this particular Traveller's Company notebook cover being available with a coffee theme, and I straight away went, I need to order one of those. So I went online, and guess what? You cannot order them. No one in Australia sells them. The only way you can get these is to go to the Starbucks Reserve Roastery in Tokyo and buy them. Now, I have a very dear friend who went to this space just for me, and this is one of the reasons why she's one of my best friends. She's just the most delightful person and will go out of her way for other people. So I'm going to show you what magnificence I have got. Now, I asked her to get me a cover, one cover. But do you see what I have in front of me here? She didn't just buy me one. She bought me two. Because apparently I thought they only came in two colours, but they come in three. Now, she says she still doesn't know why she didn't buy me the third one, but guess what? I don't care. What I have, and I'm going to show you, let me just move these aside for a minute, is the Traveller's Company Starbucks Reserve standard size covers. And I still cannot believe I am in possession of these. This is just the most amazing thing ever. If you love coffee, you will understand my excitement. So this first one is the camel. Of course, it comes with the usual paraphernalia. It comes in the usual cover. It also comes with a spare strap, which I believe is green. It's very dull here today. And voila, have a look at this. So this, of course, is the camel colour. It is an official traveller's notebook. And this is what makes it so special. If you can see here, it says Starbucks Reserve Roastery Tokyo. And this is just delightful. I have actually never had an original traveller's notebook, and the only other one I desperately wanted but found out about it too late was the one that came out, I think it was last year, no, it might have been the year before, a special edition, the travel one with the plane. I would still pay any money for one of those if I could find one, but I've searched eBay and everywhere endlessly, cannot find them anywhere. So I have not bought one, and now I have two. So it is just like any other traveller's notebook. It's beautiful leather, and it comes with the standard blank insert. Voila. Delightful. So, of course, we not only have one, we have two of these. So let's have a look what the brown one looks like. I haven't even opened. I did have a sneak peek at this one, but then I packed it all back up because I said I'm going to do a proper unboxing. But this one, I promise you, I have not touched. So I have no idea what this is going to bring or what it actually looks like. Oh my gosh, I still can't believe this. I still cannot believe this. And we have an orange tie as our spare. And that's got, oh my gosh, have a look at this. Now, it does have a little mark on it, but guess what? By the time you've used this, it's going to have lots of marks, and that's what they're, oh my gosh, it smells delightful. Starbucks Reserve Roastery Tokyo. Oh my gosh. gosh. Actually, I love them both. I don't actually know which one I prefer. And, of course, it is exactly the same. It comes with the standard blank notebook. Now, of course, this has caused me much concern when I found out I was going to be in possession of one of these. My whole planning system, I've already spent weeks thinking about what I'm going to do next year. And needless to say, we're going to have to change things up thanks to the arrival of this delight. But I will keep you posted on that. Now, of course, it's not enough that she brings me home 2 notebooks. We had to buy a few other fun things as well, thanks to a very helpful sales assistant who was so excited that someone from Australia was there shopping in store. And have a look at this, these delightful stickers. I hope you can see the beautiful rose gold foiling on these. I can't tell you how much these vibe with me. So we have a cherry blossom style sticker, coffee journey. Again, lots of rose gold foil. Another coffee journey. Again, we've got a rose gold edge. Oh, every one of these has rose gold on them. Now, what does this say? Nakamegu. Yep, okay, I'll believe that. But more foiling. Then coffee journey. Explore. This must be where the roastery is. That must be the suburb, so to speak. That's a picture of the 4-story roastery, which I believe in itself is a very impressive place to visit. Oh my gosh. Starbucks Reserve. This is all sorts of little drinks and food. Oh, and that's actually a picture of the 4-story building. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. A coffee and another Starbucks roast. Oh my gosh, aren't they delightful? Then next we have a roll of stickers. There's a pull-out separator. So how does this work? Oh, we go like this. And can we open this without damaging it? No. Okay, I would have to actually... Do I have to break this? Oh, no, hang on a minute. Because I'd like to have a sticky beak at what they look like. But I want to be able to then push it back. Let's see. We'll just gently undo this. I can feed that through again. So what have we got? All sorts of little individual stickers. Okay, so that seems to be all of them there. So that's rather cool. So I will feed that back in and then I can use them from that box. And of course, then we had to get the 3 washi tapes. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll open these up. I need something to... Okay. Oh, hang on. All right, so I've cut out the bit where I opened them. I tried to open them very slowly and gently because I want to keep the stickers to put into my journal. So let's have a look and see what these look like. They're a very generous roll. There's lots of it. And let's see how long the repeat is. Oh, it's long. So we've got a TN and a bike, Starbucks Roastery, Traveller's Company, the suburb, coffee, chocolate, a tree. I presume that's a coffee tree. The building, the reserve sign, a croissant, coffee beans, a cup, and whatever Castella means. We'll have to discover that, and then the repeat continues. So there's lots of very cute goodies in that one. I'll just gently roll this one back up. Now, the next one. Okay, so we have a tray with a croissant and a coffee, the Roastery sign, all sorts of cute little coffee images, a train, a drink, the building, Starbucks Reserve, all sorts of drinks. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this one. They're so pretty. And now the last one. This one goes vertically. Okay. So, oh no, hang on. Oh, there we go. So we start down here. We've got a bag of coffee. We've got a shopping bag, their Roastery sign, coffees, an apron, a plunger, some more coffee, and a wooden spoon or a spoon. Oh my gosh, aren't these just delightful? Right, so for an Australian, this is like the most unbelievable thing I could ever come into possession of. If you're into traveller's notebooks and you love coffee, this is just the ultimate. So I'm incredibly grateful to my dear friend who went out of her way on a very rainy day to get me these goodies. So if you are ever in Tokyo or you know someone going to Tokyo, maybe they can bring these back for you, because there is no other way, I believe, or I certainly couldn't find it. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments box below. And no doubt there will be some setup videos that will happen, because my planning, probably journaling system is definitely changing for next year. I had already made a decision that it was time for a change. And now that I have these delightful things, it's an absolute given. So we'll get to that as the year progresses, and I can actually purchase the things that I want to pop in here, because the 2025 diaries and planners and all that sort of stuff are not yet available for sale. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, just ask. Until next time, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye for now.